My animation or React Native animation project or assignment, whatever you want to call it. Um, Let me open the assignment real quick. So this is for assignment crafting dynamic mobile experiences with React Native animations for CSC352 React Native II. So here's the code on this side, on the left side of how I was able to get this working. I did have to do some research to make sure it worked properly. So some new things I learned was the imported animated library, which basically allows the ball and the movement to be a lot more smoother. Um, and then I also used the gesture library, which is better for the finger input. So whenever I slide the thing, it processes that. And then I believe I'm using the new thing I'm also using is dimensions, and that was just to um, get used so the code can make sure to use the screen size to fit the paddle and the ball. Um, and then you have the variables here. And then I use this new use share value for the animation part. Yeah, along with the use animated style. Um, and I use some other things here. And then pretty cool. I'm gonna full screen this thing. Alright, so here is the game. It is the paddle. It's a single paddle ball game. So basically, what you're gonna do is you can either slide the um, device and or the bar, and then well, also considered the paddle, I guess. And then every time you hit it, it will mark on the top left the amount of times the ball has hit the paddle, and then the speed will increase. So the max speed for this right now is 3,000. Um, but over time, I might up it because I originally set it at 1,200, but I was able to pass that, so I just upped it to 3,000. So far, in the times that I've tried out the app, I haven't quite gotten past, I think 1,257, I think is what it was. But we can play a quick round here. And if the ball is missed, it will just reset the level just like that. And then I do have the button, so if people just want to stick to the buttons, they can as well. Though I feel like that makes it a little more harder. But yeah, and then boom. The first hit doesn't count because the hits are based on consecutive hits. Um, so you have to hit the ball twice for it to mark that you hit the ball. And then the coloring, I kind of based it off of the billiards colors. So kind of like that color combination. So I just kind of stuck with that. And if I were to make this app better, I think I would just do kind of like a top score um, thing so that it can mark what the most hits was. But yeah, makes it more hard when you hit it by the edge. But yeah, that is my demo for my game. Thank you.